Hello everyone, this is our study area map class 2 lecture. That's why initially we opened the ArcGIS software. In right side Arc toolbox bar, on the other hand in left side table of contents. Initially from the first class, initially we had administrative boundary tree. Most probably this is the Thana map for Bangladesh. Then let's say we want to do further map in Sundip portion. For this feature we select Sundip. You can do same work from also attribute table. Then data, export dataset, then rename as you required, but must be careful about that. The name you cannot ensure that the name that you want to save in previous time you never use it. Then press OK. Yes. Then map for Sundip is selected. Then from drawing tools, uncheck the selection bar. This is the Sundip portion, but name is not visible here. For doing this, right left click, then properties. In property section, this is the source. You can change the export. I mean, the name is only Sundip, so we changed it by removing export portion. In level portion, initially tick mark the level feature. Then this is the administrative boundary tree. So apply, then OK. Then name of this location is came automatically. From level feature, you can also do this. And if you want to change the fill color or width color or outline of width, then from properties section you can easily do this. So sorry, unfortunately, I select the data frame from intersection from the insert section, so I remove it. And then initially I go layout view, and this is the portrait portion. To change it on export map, no need to go export map from page and print setup. From portrait to landscape view, I select landscape view, and OK. You can reshape it based on your demand. Then insert data frame to add new data frame on this same picture, on one same picture. So initially, then in a new data frame we will add data from, we want to add the divisional boundary of Bangladesh, I mean administrative boundary 1. Oh, unfortunately, initially we had divisional administrative boundary 3, then we will add administrative boundary 1. Okay, no problem. We'll change its shape, then try to use fixed zoom in and fixed zoom out option, or normal zoom in zoom out portion, to make the Bangladesh boundary is larger. Otherwise the picture is not well enough to see. I think it's almost okay, but then we add another data frame, and in new data frame 2 we will add administrative boundary 2, sorry, administrative boundary 1. This is the divisional map of Bangladesh. Use rectangular section to show the Sundip portion in the administrative boundary, from administrative boundary tree, and then press right click and then properties, and make the fill color is no fill color. We do a mistake already. We have to use no fill color, and outline color you can also change. So as we are not doing, the fill color is no fill color, so then again we will Use no fill color and apply. Okay, you can increase the outline width also from here. Then again, from drawing tools, take the line portion and try to make more visible. From Bangladesh Thana boundary, we try to show our Sandip section. Select and press enter. Otherwise, it will remove. Again, select line tools. When it is done, you press enter to remove this. I want to increase the outline width. Apply, then press OK. You can add the base map from the satellite view. Here, different type of satellite has. I select imaginary, and it will take more times when you use base map. When you select the base map option, try to not, I mean, not press, wait for a second. Automatically, the base map will connect it. Then in new data frame 2, we will incorporate from add data the divisional dataset that is known as administrative boundary 1. So I want to show the name of different division and use different color for different division. For that, we'll left click of new data frame, then properties, initial check mark of level feature in this layer. I want to change the name, layer name, division boundary of Bangladesh. Then in symbology portion, select category, then unique value and shape file is administrative boundary 1. Then in below, press add all values. Must select the unique values. Initially press add all values, then uncheck the above portion. From color ramp, you can choose your colors. Then press apply. Okay. Now I want to add the name of each division. So level feature, from level feature, you can add the name of feature. But unfortunately, in this level, after applying level feature option, you can see the position division name came towards in our new data frame 2. Position came here 2 times. So definitely you have to remove. For this, go properties section and then levels, placement properties and remove duplicate values, and then press OK. Then apply finally. And your body shall remove from 1 times. It's almost our study area map is done. But now I will try from new data frame 2, Chittagong portion select, and then in Thana boundary map, we will use same color for Chittagong portion. For this, we select feature, select feature, then Chittagong portion is selected from divisional boundary. Then this Chittagong portion I will set for data frame, export data frame. Then change the name of output feature class. we have to also uncheck the Chitang portion from attribute table. Otherwise, it shows a color. It looks poorer. So Chitang division map added here. Then go to attribute table section and uncheck the Chitang portion. Okay, it's better than previous one. So I copied the Chitang division map from dataset data frame 2 and place it new data frame 1. So the color for Chitang division is same in both pictures, new data frame and new data frame 2. You can change the thickness of this line, selecting line also after double clicking. If you want, you can also select the Chitang portion here in new data frame 2. Sorry, in new data frame. Let's select rectangle portion and select the Chitang portion. Then press right and properties section, fill color, no fill color, and outline color you can choose. And if you want, you can increase the outline thickness. I think it's better for proper visibility. Then add again the line section from drawing tools. Then select Chitang zone and then press right click and again line tools. Chitang section. This is our the line color is same for all, so you can change the line color and width of this line. Almost our study area map is done. Now from insert section you can definitely add the title, legend, north direction or skull bar, and finally for save or export map you can use from file section, export it as a JPG or PNG section. Thanks for watching this video, and definitely if you need this shape file of Bangladesh administrative boundary 0123, then definitely in comment section give your mail. I will send the study and shape files. Thank you.